So let us check our practice exercises. Number 1. Suppose y varies directly as x and y is 16 when x is 8. Find y when x is 16. Okay, so we will be having the tentative equation. Since it is a direct variation, y is equal to kx only. And I will be using a table of relation to represent the values. So you will be having x is 8 and y is 16. Find y when x is 16. So again, I will use the initial values of x and y to get the value of k. So y is equal to 16 and x is equal to 8. 16 is equal to k times 8. So dividing both sides by 8, you will be having k is equal to 2. Okay, so I will now substitute to the tentative equation the value of k. Y is equal to 2x. So I will now substitute the value, we will now get the value of y when x is 16. So I will substitute 16 to x. So it will become y is equal to 2 times 16. So y is equal to 2 times 16 is 32. So that is the value of y. Next, if r varies inversely as r and as s and r is 100 when s is 27, find the value of r when s is 45. So the tentative equation, r is equal to k over s, and initially we will have the table of relation. This will be s and this will be r. S is 27. R is 100 when s is 27. R is 100 when s is 27. Find the value of r when s is 45. So now I will use the initial values of r and s to solve for k. So 100 is equal to k over 27. I will multiply both sides by 27 to solve for k. K is equal to 2,700. 27 times 100 is 2,700. Okay, so I will now substitute r is equal to 2,700 over s. So so that the equation of variation will be r is equal to 2,700 over s. Now I will solve for r when s is 45. So I will just substitute r is equal to 2,700 divided by 45. R is equal to 2,700 divided by 45 will lead you to 60. So R is equal to 60. Number 3. If D varies as H and G, if D is 15 when H is 14 and G is 5, find G when H is 21 and D is 8. So now you will have the equation of variation. So the tentative one, D is equal to K, H, and G. So I will just substitute the initial values of D, which is 15, H is equal to 14, G is equal to 5 to solve for K. So 15 is equal to K times 14 times 5. Dividing both sides, so 15 now is equal to K. 14 times 5, you will get 70. Dividing both sides by 70, K is equal to 15 over 70, or K is equal to 3 over 14. I will substitute K to the tentative equation. So D is equal to 3 over 14 HG. So D, we will now solve for G when H is equal to 21 and D is equal to 3. So D is equal to 3 times 21 times G all over 8. over 14. D is 8. So I will just substitute. G is 8. 14 ito. Okay. So, I will multiply both sides by 14. So, 8 times 14, that is 112, is equal to 3 times 21, that is 63. G. Dividing both sides by 63, G is equal to 112 divided by 63. The answer is 16 over 9. So this will be our answer for number 3. I hope you got a perfect score in our practice exercises. See you again in our next video lessons. Like, share, and comment your suggestions on the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe. To get notified with our latest videos, just click the notification bell.